Hey guys, what's going on? Pokebee back with another video. Today we're going to open up some booster packs. We've got some Brilliant Stars, Darkness Ablaze, and a McDonald's pack. We'll go ahead and start with this McDonald's pack. I'm just going to take the pack out of here. We've opened up one of these and kind of shown what comes in them on this channel before, so we'll just kind of rip everything on open and get it all ready to open up. All right, we'll start with this McDonald's pack. This time I'm gonna open it up correctly, so you guys can't see the hollow first thing when I open it. All right, we've got Drampa, Pangaroo, and Pikachu. Very nice. It's always pleasant to get a Pikachu. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up some Brilliant Stars now. My chase card is the Alt Art Charizard. I have opened up, I don't even know how much I have opened up. It's a ridiculous amount of Brilliant Stars. It is the only card I have not pulled. I probably could have completed the set minus that one card at least 5 or 6 times now. Alright, we've got Claydol, Arceus Premonition, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, Butzel, Reverse Drudgeon on Jajajan. Nothing there. We'll move on. We've got the Darkness Ablaze up next. A white code card. Throw that over there somewhere. Got Turbo Patch, Sinsty, Carablast, Meltan. Oh, I'm messing this up. Alright, whatever. Lugia. Cool. And our last pack of Brilliant Stars. We gotta get something out of these packs. Okay, that's a good sign. The code for you guys. Chuck that over there. Alright, let's go. Fracture, Weevil, Hunting Gloves, Dedenne, Cubchoo, Shinx, Farfetch'd, Execute, Reverse Monferno, Hodgecrow V, of course. I can't stop pulling this card. Alright, we'll sleeve that up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and that'll be all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!